Welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studios, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home designs. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're tackling a fascinating and rapidly growing trend that's pushing the boundaries of modern living, the double-wide container house. If you're curious about sustainable, creative, and surprisingly spacious homes, you're in the right place. So, what exactly do we mean by a double-wide container house design? It's precisely what it sounds like. A home constructed primarily from two shipping containers placed side by side, often with sections removed or cut out to create a wider, more open interior space. Unlike single container homes, which are limited by the 8-foot width of a standard container, double-wide designs significantly expand the living area, offering a width closer to that of a traditional manufactured home, typically around 16 feet. This extra width allows for more conventional room layouts, wider hallways, and a greater sense of spaciousness. It also often involves strategic stacking or offsetting of containers to create multi-story homes or unique architectural forms, proving that container homes can be far from basic. The benefits of opting for a double-wide container house design are quite compelling. Firstly, and often most importantly, it's a highly sustainable and eco-friendly choice. You're repurposing robust steel structures, reducing waste, and often building with a smaller carbon footprint. Secondly, the prefabricated nature of containers can significantly reduce construction time and, in many cases, overall costs compared to traditional builds, though this varies greatly with customization. Thirdly, container homes are incredibly durable and resistant to various elements due to their strong steel construction. They can be designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. Fourthly, the modular nature allows for unique architectural creativity. You can stack, offset, and combine containers in countless ways to create truly bespoke living spaces that stand out. Finally, they offer great flexibility for future expansion. Simply add more containers as your needs grow. Decorating a double-wide container house to look good is all about playing with contrasts and maximizing the unique features of the structure. Embrace the industrial origins by incorporating exposed steel, concrete floors, or corrugated metal accents, but soften these with warm natural materials like wood paneling, light or dark, cozy textiles, and abundant natural light. The key is to avoid making it feel like a box. Utilize the wider space by creating open-concept living areas. Use smart storage solutions to minimize clutter. Introduce personality with bold colors, unique artwork, and varied textures. Large windows are crucial for bringing in light and connecting with the outdoors. Don't be afraid to mix modern, minimalist furniture with rustic or bohemian pieces to create a layered and inviting aesthetic. Remember, the goal is a cohesive space that feels both functional and uniquely yours. Alright, get ready to be amazed. Let's dive into our top 10 best double-wide container house design ideas. Each one showcases the incredible versatility and beauty that can be achieved when thinking outside the traditional housing box. One, sleek modern double-wide with elevated deck. This striking double-wide container home features a minimalist aesthetic with clean lines and a dark exterior, possibly a deep charcoal or black, contrasting beautifully with warm wooden accents. The clever design utilizes two containers side by side, elevated on stilts, creating an open space underneath. A spacious wooden deck extends from the front, offering an inviting outdoor living area. The large glass sliding doors and windows maximize natural light and blur the lines between indoor and outdoor, while the simple, structured landscaping with sparse, tall grasses enhances the contemporary feel. This home exemplifies sleek, functional design in a compact footprint. 2. Bright and airy double-wide with panoramic views. This stunning double-wide container home is a masterclass in maximizing light and views. The light-colored exterior, likely white or light gray, combined with extensive floor-to-ceiling glass windows and doors, creates an incredibly bright and open interior. The two containers are seamlessly joined, forming a spacious living area that extends onto a clean, modern deck. The design thoughtfully frames the panoramic natural landscape beyond, whether it's mountains, forests, or a serene lake. Simple landscaping with low-lying plants allows the architecture and the views to be the main focus, embodying a refined and airy living experience. 3. Rustic modern container home with wood cladding. This double-wide container house beautifully blends rustic charm with modern design through its strategic use of materials. The exterior is clad in warm, natural wood, softening the industrial lines of the containers and creating an inviting, cabin-like feel. Dark window frames and a contrasting dark roof add a contemporary touch. A well-integrated, spacious wooden deck extends from the main living area, perfect for outdoor relaxation. The surrounding natural landscape with mature trees further enhances the rustic appeal, showcasing how container homes can seamlessly integrate into a more natural, countryside setting. 4. Multi-level double-wide with covered parking. This innovative double-wide container home demonstrates creative stacking and offsetting, creating a multi-level structure that maximizes space and offers unique architectural interest. The containers are painted a sophisticated dark gray, providing a sleek, modern look. A cleverly designed lower level provides covered parking or an additional outdoor living area. Expansive windows on both levels ensure ample natural light, while a combination of decking and minimalist landscaping with gravel and native plants grounds the structure. This design highlights the versatility of containers for creating custom, multifunctional homes. 5. Desert Oasis double-wide with rooftop deck. This striking double-wide container home is designed for a dry, arid landscape, featuring a robust, earthy-toned exterior that blends with its surroundings. The two containers are joined to create a wider living space, topped with an accessible rooftop deck, perfect for enjoying sunsets or stargazing. Large windows and sliding glass doors connect the interior to the outdoor environment. The landscaping features drought-tolerant plants and natural rock elements, emphasizing sustainability. This design proves that container homes can be adapted to various climates, creating beautiful and functional desert retreats. 6. Contemporary double-wide with integrated planters and decking. This elegant double-wide container home showcases a refined modern aesthetic, with a crisp white exterior that brightens the space and highlights its clean lines. The containers are seamlessly joined, and the design incorporates integrated wooden decking that wraps around a section of the house, creating a harmonious transition to the outdoors. Strategic cutouts or recesses within the container walls are utilized as built-in planters, bringing greenery directly into the architecture. Large, dark-framed windows provide striking contrast and ample natural light, making this home a stylish and functional example of container living. 7. Industrial chic double-wide with exposed corrugated metal. This double-wide container house embraces its industrial roots, proudly featuring exposed corrugated metal siding, likely in a dark, weathered finish. This bold material choice gives the home an edgy, modern industrial appeal. The two containers are clearly visible as distinct units, possibly joined by a central glass-filled corridor or a wider connection point. Large, dark-framed windows and a clean, minimalist landscape with gravel and native grasses complement the raw aesthetic. This design is perfect for those who appreciate the original character of the shipping containers and desire a truly unique, robust home. 8. Expansive family double-wide with attached garage. This larger-scale double-wide container home demonstrates how these structures can be expanded to accommodate family living. The main residential section appears to be constructed from multiple containers, providing ample interior space. A seamlessly attached garage, possibly also built from containers or a complementary material, extends from the main living area. The exterior features a modern mix of dark siding and warm wood accents, with numerous large windows ensuring a bright and inviting interior. The surrounding lawn and mature trees create a comfortable, suburban or rural setting, showcasing the adaptability of container homes for various lifestyles. 9. Vertical stacking double-wide with multi-story decks. This architecturally ambitious double-wide container home uses vertical stacking to create a striking multi-story residence. 2 containers are placed side by side on the ground floor, forming a wide base, while another container or 2 are stacked above, perhaps in a perpendicular or offset manner. This creates opportunities for multiple spacious decks on different levels, offering diverse outdoor living areas and panoramic views. The exterior features a bold combination of dark and light panels, possibly with wood accents, and extensive glass, emphasizing its contemporary design and maximizing light. 10. Modern double-wide with rooftop garden and scenic views. This exquisite double-wide container home takes modern living to new heights with an integrated green roof or rooftop garden, adding an eco-friendly and aesthetically pleasing element. The containers are joined to form a spacious, low-profile structure with a sleek, dark exterior. Expansive glass walls and doors open onto a beautiful wooden deck, blurring the boundary between indoors and out. The surrounding natural landscape with a large body of water and distant hills provides a breathtaking backdrop. This design is a testament to how container homes can be transformed into luxurious, sustainable retreats that fully embrace their natural surroundings. The double-wide container house truly challenges traditional notions of home design. As you've seen, these innovative structures offer incredible possibilities for spacious, sustainable, and stylish living. Whether you're drawn to their eco-friendly nature, their cost-effectiveness, or their unique architectural appeal, a double-wide container home could be the perfect foundation for your dream space. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern double-wide container house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.